Let's see the key information on NSD. NSD is nothing but Node's system diagnostic file. It contains complete snapshot of Node's installed environment. If you are facing any Node's performance or a hang issue, you will be asked to collect manual NSD. This will be helpful to analyze and determine the cause of the issue. NSD executable file stored in program directory, whereas NSD output file will be stored in IBM technical support folder in data directory. To collect information, run NSD at the time of issue reproduce. Let's begin with demo. In order to run NSD manually, copy Notes program directory path by right click on Notes icon available on desktop, go to property, copy the Notes program directory path. In search, type CMD to open command prompt. Open command prompt with run as an administrator. It will open DOS prompt. Type cd space and paste the copied program directory path. Hit enter. Enter command NSD. To execute this command, hit enter. Wait till this command execute completely. NSD output will be captured and at the bottom it will show the NSD log path where this file is located. Now, as per the NSD log path, go to Nose data directory using File Explorer. Open C drive. Go to Program Files x86, HCL folder. Open Notes folder, data directory. Here in IBM Technical Support folder, files start with letter NSD or files can be sought with date modified to find latest NSD file. You zip that file and upload in the case. I hope this video will help you to run and collect NSD. Thank you for watching this video.